Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I seen you, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of this. Ooh. It is pandemic time, so of course I cannot buy anything big because I gotta save my money. Never know what's gonna happen in the future. So this item, I already bought it once before in 2015. Is the Hermes Ulysse Agenda in size PM. They came out with Vert Anise in 2004 and 2008, and I wanted it in 2014, but I didn't find one in really good condition, and they released the color again in 2015, so I was like, yay! And I bought it. I was really excited when I bought it, but when I drove the Agenda home, I had it sitting next to me in the car, and it started to stink. I actually didn't know at first that it came from the Agenda. I thought I had ran over a skunk. So for 2 days I was trying to figure out where the smell was coming from, and it turns out it was from my Agenda. And then I bought it back to Hermes, and my sales associate was like, oh yeah, you know, for some reason this color, the Vert Anise color, we've been having problems with it. I'm like, can you order me another one? And he's like, yeah, but it's gonna probably have the same problem, so why don't we trade it out for a different color? I didn't like any other color than the green, but I really tried to force myself to get something because I was all excited about getting a new Agenda. So I bought the turquoise color, used it for about a year, and I wasn't in love with it. And the reason I wasn't in love with it is if you've ever had one of these planners, it's very simple. It's basically a piece of leather. It didn't have no pockets, nothing to hold your stickers. All in all, it was really expensive. The leather cover itself, back in 2015, was $235. The paper that I bought for the Agenda was $65. So that's a lot to spend on something that you didn't love. All in all, it was too much of a big fuss, and I wasn't in love with it, so I sold it. But now they came out with a new version called Ulysses, also PM size, but is Neo. It has a leather pocket in it with 2 credit card holder, I believe. So I wanted to try it out again. I think it's gonna function a lot better. This one, as you see, I didn't get it from Hermes, the store, because the store is closed right now. Their physical location, I don't know when they're gonna open. Their online location is, their distributing center in the US is open, but I purchased the refill for this the same time I purchased the cover, and the cover came from Japan, and I purchased on the same day, which is April 30th. This arrived this afternoon, which is a Monday. So in about 4 days, the planner was here, you know, already in my hand. So, oh, I'm ecstatic. Meanwhile, Hermes, which I paid full price on, hasn't even shipped out my refill paper yet, which I'm a little bit disappointed because that's a lot of money. And I got this at 63% off from this company, E-Lady Globazone. This was listed as slightly used. So it goes brand new, mint condition, which is like used but still looks brand new, and then this one, which is slightly used. So I'm a bit nervous. I've never bought anything from Japan before, or anything that's, even if I buy pre-owned goods, I usually buy new condition pre-owned goods or mint condition. So I've never bought something used before. So we about to see what it looks like and what the condition is. Ooh, I am liking it. This color, they described it in the listing as ivory. Now, the official Hermes color, I'm not sure what it is, but it looks like Craie to me. Ooh, the leather. It's all supple and nice. Let me smell it, see if it stinks. Oh, it smells good. It's not stinky. Yay. Here we go. Ooh. So I'll show you why this thing is 63% off. It's because of this. I think whoever used it, they got a little bit of a pen mark. Yay. And so it got discounted. This is really nice condition. It came from the 2017 year, so it's not that bad. And here's the little date code inside of the pocket. You guys are gonna have to ignore my nails. I don't know. I look like I dig trenches for a living, but this is how it is. Yep. So if you're buying the old version, it basically looks exactly like this, except you don't have this pouch. This seems to be like one piece of leather that they just folded over, sewed, and add another piece of leather. It's simple, but it's gonna add a lot of functions because I can always put my stickers and things in here. And if you broke but you want a fancy agenda and you don't want to spend $60 up to like $85 on their refill, having this pocket is great. To get like an A6 size planner, and you would just sloop it in. This one obviously don't fit. Let me try to get something like this. That's, well, bigger, you know what I mean? But then you would just sloop this in like so, and then you wouldn't have to buy their refill to snap. Now, I just want you guys to see the condition of this thing, because it's not that bad. Like right here, there's like some marking. I'm gonna clean it up, and I'll come back and show you guys what products I'm gonna use to clean this up and make it look new, because homegirl only paid $190 for this, and it retails for, hold your breath, $520 directly from Hermes boutique. And for me, like in this condition, completely usable, saved myself over half of the price. I am back, yay. And I got my baby wipe. This is the Pure Pampers baby wipe, 99% water based, so hopefully it doesn't hurt the leather. Then I got my nail polish remover, just generic kind. I'm thinking I'm gonna use this to remove that ink. Then we got some Q-tips and my trusty Uggs sheepskin care kit. This one has 3 major issues that I don't like. Number one, the part where the refill is sitting on is clean. You can see like a light gray, and right here at the edging, this is from probably oil of your hand touching it, and also just exposure to air, you know what I mean? Because where the paper don't sit, you're gonna have dust, oil, pen mark. And overall, this thing looks pretty clean. Like, I'm really impressed with how they list the condition of this thing. They were really honest, because I was kind of worried, you know. There's people that sell very beat up used thing and list it as like mint condition, but this is great. Even the hardware, there's not a lot of scratching on it. It looks still shiny and nice. Okay, so when I was watching the shoe cleaning video, they all clean it first by brushing, so let's brush. I'm cleaning it, just brushing it away. Yeah, it looks good. Like the edging, the color is getting better already. See, like it's getting a lot of the, you can see like a lot of the loose suede out. See, like that dingy-ish kind of tan color is coming out. So, yay, you are alive again. The next step is the eraser. That's what this little block is. Let's test it out where the ink is and see if it'll do anything. Did it look like it got better? It don't look like it to me. Let's see. Yeah, look at the edge. It got better looking. Because from the side that I erased and this side, it looks a little bit better. Okay, so I got the rubbing alcohol in this little cap. I'm gonna dab it on that ink and see. Maybe I shouldn't rub it. Maybe I should just soak it. Or like dab it in a circle or something. So when that side is drying, I'm just gonna get a little bit of this sheepskin conditioner and cleaner and put it on a little bit of this baby wipe. I'm just gonna give it a wipe all over. See, there was like this ink area right here. I don't know, you guys can see it right there. I'm gonna see if it got rid of it. It doesn't seem to lift off, so. Oh look, but this one is coming off. This tiny one right here is coming off. Yay! The stain is gone. The acetone didn't work, but as you see, the ink did get a little better, and how I took care of it was I actually shaved the area off. Now, if you look at this, this is just a raw piece of leather. They did some edge work on it right here. They went ahead and glazed the edging, but otherwise it's just your basic leather. So this is essentially suede. So I just shaved it off. Like the ink, I don't know how long the owner have had it on there. It might have been a long time. So acetone didn't do anything to it. And I'm just very slowly and gently, see, giving it a shave. And basically I am just taking all of the hair particle with the ink off. Now it's gonna take the hair particle around it without the ink off as well, you know, but to me that's okay. I'll just brush it out. I didn't buy this full price, so it didn't hurt me as bad. I want to be careful because I don't want to touch that glazing. I just want to get it to where the sheep hair is, so that's why I'm bending the leather this way, so that I would only get the sheep hair. There used to be another ink stain right here, but I shaved that one off completely, so you don't even notice it anymore or know that it exists. Now we only have this tiny bit. Alright, I am back, and as you see, the stain is 99.9% gone. Now all I'm doing is I'm kind of like shaving along the line, making sure the hair, you know, is somewhat the same length, and it evens it out. Voila. What do you guys think? Pretty good, huh? Yay, yay. Oh, I'm so happy. Nothing makes me happier than getting a nice quality product at a discounted price. Here we go. See? All the staining gone. Perfect. Perfect condition. Very. Yay, yay. Hope you guys enjoy. Come back for more later.